So my name actually Aditya Raj Arora. Raj is my dad's name.
So my name is Bianca Arora and I am Jal. My character's name is Baggu.
My character's name is Ali, and I am Agni. I'm the fire element.
हर ऑडिशन दिल पे नहीं लगा के रख सकते क्योंकि कॉल वापस शायद ना आए.
For me, I don't have such a filmy story actually. मेरा बचपन से ही clear था कि I want to get into acting.
तो ये ज्यादा फिल्मी है.
Maybe.
It's really difficult to do the crying वाले bits का dub. Find another audition, use all your badass to do better in that one and वो भी नहीं होता तो फिर next.
So hello Hitflick fam, we have Power of 5 के दो अलग किरदार. एक है आदित्य राज जो बहुत ही सीरियस दिखते हैं और एक है जिनका बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूनिक नेम है बियांका. पर इनको इंट्रोड्यूस करने से मैं कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाऊंगा. तो बियांका, व्हाई डोंट वी स्टार्ट विद यू एंड थोड़ा इंट्रोड्यूस करिए. हु आर यू, व्हाट आर यू एंड हाउ आर यू इन Power of 5?
So my name is Bianca Arora and I am Jal. My character's name is Baggu. She's a nerd. She does not like to catch the light or be the center of attention, but I've realized that the character is loved so much in the group that I have a feeling that the audience will also love it because she's so nice and sweet and, you know, does her own thing, is not bothered by the rest, but फिर भी drama revolves around her. Even if she tries to stay away from it, it's still there. So that is who Baggu is.
So Aditya, you?
Hi, my name is Aditya Raj Arora, and I am also Arora.
Yeah.
And my character's name is Ali, and I am Agni. I'm the fire element. And मेरा character बहुत ही intense है actually. There are too many conflicts going on with that character. खुद की पावर्स पे कंट्रोल नहीं है, खुद के एंगर पे कंट्रोल नहीं है, बहुत गुस्सा आ जाता है तो यहाँ वहाँ आग लग जाती है. मॉम के साथ थोड़ा रॉकी रिलेशनशिप है, पर्सनल लाइफ भी हियर एंड देयर है. ही इज़ इन अ वियर्ड लव ट्रायंगल. द गर्ल ही वांट्स टू बी विथ, ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू बी विथ हर. एंड
तो मतलब सब कुछ नॉर्मल है.
हाँ, सो कैजुअल है, बट यहाँ वहाँ आग लग जाती है कभी कभी बस. But yeah, so that's about the character, and it's a very intense and too many.
Do you think the character is very Peter Parker? Probably demons in the mind.
Yeah, and then Baggu's coming to rescue.
Yeah.
आपको ऐसा लगा? नहीं.
नहीं, I didn't think about it like that.
मुझे ऐसा लगा जब आप बोल रहे हैं तो. That's a compliment.
Yeah. I'm taking it as a compliment. Yeah. No, I love this character actually. I think we could do a lot with this character.
Cool. So what is that unique thing we need to see in the series for you?
For me, or like just the series as a
नहीं, आपके कैरेक्टर की क्या ऐसी खासियत है जो हम देखेंगे तो मजा आएगा?
खासियत, I feel like the beauty of this character is कि I feel like it's a very passionate character. कि like इतना कुछ हो रहा है, इतने he's fighting, as you mentioned, all the demons that he's fighting in his head. बट फिर भी there's a lot of passion. Then you know वो the girl he loves, वो कुछ भी हो रहा है यहाँ वहाँ से कोशिश कर के he is going after her. He is trying to get everything in control and he is trying to fight those demons. So that I feel like is a unique aspect of this character.
So Bianca, you have a unique name. इसका मतलब क्या है?
So my name means pure and I want to put it out there. A lot of people might think this is a stage name or this is something that I came up with now because there
Even
were
I thought
questions.
that.
Yeah. He was the one who asked me for the first time. Nobody's ever asked me that, oh, did you give yourself this name when you entered the industry or something of that sort? My parents have named me Bianca since I was born. It's there on my birth certificate and everything. I don't know how they came up with this whole thing.
I have her birth certificate, you know.
Yeah.
So when we had
because-
started shooting and we were talking, I had asked her seriously. I was like, असली नाम है क्या ये? And then she's like, हाँ. And I'm like, I don't believe it. So then she actually sent me her birth certificate.
तो शायद ऐसा होगा पेरेंट्स ने नाम रखना चाहो प्रियंका पर स्पेलिंग नहीं समझ में आई, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं.
They were I think because of them now I have also become like that if anybody misspells it as Priyanka I get really offended कि यार थोड़ा different है, call it like it sounds like Priyanka but it is Bianca.
आज पूरा दिन से तो I've been calling her Banika only.
Oh yeah, somebody put it on YouTube and couldn't pronounce it. I don't know, they jumbled the spelling and they call me Banika.
Yeah, so now I call her Banika.
But it's Bianca.
So Bianca, obviously एक building भी है बॉम्बे में. Are you aware?
You told me about it, so now I am aware.
What else is there?
I got to know only when I came here that there is a laundry place called Bianca.
Plug. Paid promotion.
I think they should pay me.
क्यों हो सकता है ये लॉन्ड्री का नाम बियांका?
Sorry.
लॉन्ड्री का नाम बियांका क्यों होगा?
बियांका कुछ प्योर ना.
अच्छा.
साफ सफाई.
तो कपड़े बिल्कुल प्योर करके देते हैं.
Oh, so इसलिए. So coming back to your thing, so Bianca, how is your process of becoming an actor? कितना मुश्किल था या कितना आसान था आपके लिए?
I think this is the first time that it's going to be on the internet. It wasn't something that I had always thought of. I loved theatre in school and I would always do plays and I would always be a part of co-curriculum. But then I wanted to become a pilot. So I was doing that. I got stuck because of some reasons and my parents kind of pushed me to move to Bombay that, you know, go. Like just go take some acting classes.
ये कहाँ से आप आए थे?
I came from Chandigarh. I am from Chandigarh. My family stays there. I'm living here with a friend of mine. Both of us stay together. I came from Chandigarh just for 3 months. I was again going to continue flying and go to the US. And I still remember April 2022 I came. July I went back for my birthday and I sat with my parents and they asked me. They're like, तो अब क्या? अब US की Bombay? And without even thinking, I was like, Bombay. And since then, I have just been here. So now I think April of this year, it'll be 3 years since I've been in Bombay. And I love the city. And that is how I got into acting. If it's a lot of people ask me this question that are your parents okay with it? Are they supportive? If my parents didn't push me, I probably wouldn't have been here. They are the reason why I'm here. And that is why I came to Bombay and that is how it's been.
But Bombay की struggle कैसी है? मतलब for people who don't know how easy or difficult it is to become an actor, and you got Power of Panch, you got a Disney Plus Hotstar with Balaji, but obviously there's so anything you'd like to comment on that?
I think, you know, when I had come in, I started auditioning quite early and once I started auditioning is only when I learned that हर audition दिल पे नहीं लगा के रख सकते क्योंकि call वापस शायद ना आए. And I used to get really affected earlier. I would keep asking them that, you know, what happened? And then I realized that, you know what, the best thing is do your bit, give your auditions, give as many as you can, forget about them. And I still remember when I gave the audition for Power of Punch, I had also auditioned for a bunch of things. And I got a call and I was really confused that which one have you called me for? Because I've inculcated that thing so much about forgetting the audition that I was not sure at all कि कॉल आ किसके लिए रहा है. तो इतनी बार मैंने उनसे पूछा कि ये क्या कौन सा. And then when I got it, I still couldn't believe it. I was still very like, हाँ चलो देखते हैं. Like it didn't set in that well. And even when the show got released, I know everybody around me was so happy because somebody who's not from Bombay got a show and all of that. Family gets really happy. Everybody around you is really happy. But for it to sink in, it took a couple of days. Now I am kind of settled with it. But yeah.
So how was it for you?
For me, I don't have such a filmy story actually. मेरा बचपन से ही clear था कि I want to get into acting.
तो ये ज़्यादा फिल्मी है.
Maybe दोनों पे film बन सकती है. But I still remember I was like 2nd grade or 3rd grade and school में ऐसे culminating acting.
और ये बॉम्बे में था कहीं और?
Bombay. I'm from Bombay. Okay. I was born in Indore and when I was 1, my parents and we came to Bombay.
So इंदौर में ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर पत्थर मारो या तो एक्टर को लगता है या सिंगर को? Because everybody wants to be a part of.
My dad actually wanted to become an actor.
Okay.
When he was.
See, I was right.
Yeah. And this is something that he told me when I turned 18. Matlab, not intentionally, just came up that time. And that is when he told me that he actually wanted to become an actor. एंड बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि वो घर से भाग के किसी थिएटर में बैठ के मूवी देख रहे हैं और सब लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं उनको पूरे कंपाउंड में कि किधर गए वो एंड ही इज इन सम अदर थिएटर वाचिंग अ मूवी.
ये तो बहुत गलत परवरिश का नतीजा है.
So yeah, that's how it was. Like बॉम्बे में हम लोग थे 2nd 3rd grade में. I still remember हमारा कुछ फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन था. So I was शाहरुख खान in that. स्कूल में मैं ग्लासेस लगा के ब्लैक शर्ट पहन के घूम रहा हूँ एंड ऑल. एंड कपल ऑफ इयर्स के बाद वो टाइम पे बचना है हसीनो आई थी रणबीर कपूर की. So मेरी building में there was like this whole Diwali fest. So I had a proper performance with 4 girls. And I'm like, what, 10, 11 at that time?
तो यानी बहुत स्ट्रगल रही यार.
Yeah, देखो मैं हीरो तो पहले से था.
हाँ, पर 4 लड़कियों के साथ आई थिंक मेरे तो एक्चुअली आंसू आ रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा और सुनाइए. जैसे रीवा कह रही थी ना, एक आंसू निकला, मेरे तो 15-20 निकल गए.
No, but actually picture this like this 10-year-old and उनके साथ से बड़ी दीदियाँ literally डांस कर रही थी मेरे साथ.
ये तो बचपन का सपना पूरा हो गया.
But yeah, then eventually when I was 21 I started auditioning.
So when did your dad, what age were you when he told you बेटा मुझे एक्टर, मैं भी एक्टर बनना?
When I was 18.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So then so my name actually Aditya Raj Arora. Raj is my dad's name. Okay. So I like how it sounds, but I also felt like okay, he got into business. He didn't really go after that. So in a way, he is also up there. So
तो जब राज ने राज खोला तो आदित्य राज अरोरा हुआ. फिर
so yeah.
Very bad one, but yeah.
नहीं अच्छा था.
No, it's good.
So then eventually I started auditioning and
रिजेक्शन को कैसे डील करते हो?
rejection. I actually what happened initially is that I started getting too attached to the auditions that I'm giving, and as a 20-year-old you're not really used to dealing with rejection that well. तो होता क्या है कि आप जाके अभी लेट्स से आपने कोई भी एक ऐड का भी ऑडिशन दिया, यू स्टार्ट विजुअलाइजिंग इट कि हाँ ओके मैं सेट पे हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ, फिर वो ऐड बाहर आएगी, सब लोग देखेंगे, सब लोग क्लैप करेंगे, इंस्टाग्राम पे कमेंट करेंगे, तो आप पूरी एक वो पिक्चर बना लेते हो अपने हेड में. एंड देन सडनली दे टेल यू कि ओ सॉरी वी वेंट अहेड विद समवन एल्स. सो यू आर जस्ट लाइक कि ओ, एंड इट्स लाइक मतलब इट जस्ट टुक वन मैसेज टू लाइक ब्रेक ऑल ऑफ दैट.
बिका हुआ था वो आदमी जिसने ये मैसेज भेजा. हाँ.
So initially तो थोड़ा एक struggle रहा, and eventually you know as she mentioned you have to I think as an actor develop that habit of being a little detached. कि आपने audition दिया and then you're done, you're away from it. I feel like that also happens with your work. कि आपने like as much as we all are attached with Power of Paanch, I feel like there is also a certain degree of detachment that needs to be there. Because otherwise, you know, that can't really frame your entire peace of mind and headspace completely.
You agree with that?
Yeah, I do. Because if you have a pre-decided result of what you've done, and if it doesn't match that, and you're so attached to what you thought is going to be, you're not going to feel good. And जितनी मेहनत करी है जिसका अभी प्रोडक्ट आया है, you don't even enjoy that because you were so stuck up on oh it's going to be like this and it's going to be like that. You should have no expectations.
Yeah,
enjoy
exactly.
the process, wait for the result, and just enjoy whatever it is. Because I think that's the best way, and that's how you can, you know, be happy and content with.
This is actually something that I constantly tell myself anytime I feel like I'm getting a little overwhelmed. It might sound preachy also, but this is literally what I tell myself is that be positive, hope for the best. But expectations को literally keep no expectations, because जहाँ expectations आती है ना वहाँ पे you know things go थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे.
So I agree with you because ये जो चीज़ आप बोल रहे हो, ये जो ज्ञान है आपका, ये ज्ञान I think 5 या 10 साल बाद आता है. When you realize that you wasted all your energy and कोई माने ना माने, दिखने में बहुत easy लगता है, but ये गेम है mental. क्योंकि इतना टैक्सिंग है, आप शब्दों को क्रिएट कर रहे हो, आप इनैक्ट कर रहे हो, और लगता है क्या यार पढ़ दिया, बट किस तरह से पढ़ा, गलत बोला, सही बोला, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. सो मेंटल बैलेंस इज समथिंग एक्टर्स लूज आउट आफ्टर अ व्हाइल.
I feel like it's a mental.
It is quite exhausting when you जब वो स्क्रिप्ट आती है, आप you read it once, you read it twice, then you've learnt it. You have to make it sound like it's your own word and not something that you just read and it's just for the character and it's just for that scene. मतलब just doing all of that to make it so believable, you have to believe it yourself and you put yourself in it. तो वो exhausting हो जाता है after all.
उसको आप ये समझिए कि आपने अपना पूरा सोच लिया, अब आप जिस environment में गए हैं वहाँ बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है, कोई उधर लाइट लगा रहा है, कोई इधर चीख रहा है, कोई चिल्ला रहा है, डायरेक्टर चिढ़ा हुआ है, जल्दी करो लाइट जा रही है, and you have to do your part. So I think if you're not mentally stable, I think you can
get lost because I think set पे इतने लोग होते हैं that it's so easy to lose your center. क्योंकि if you मतलब
ऑब्वियसली इतने लोग होंगे ना, 5 तो तुम ही हो.
हाँ मतलब एग्जैक्टली ऊपर से देन सबकी टीम है, सबकी मतलब there's lights, there's camera, there's so much happening.
आस्क मी, मेरा ऑफिस देखो आज कैसा भरा हुआ है.
तो उसमें you can get distracted and kind of lose the point of why you're there. तो
This
वो
actually, sorry.
no continue.
This actually one incident happened with Urvashi ma'am and me. We both.
उर्वशी राउतेला,
No. Urvashi Dholakia.
Dholakia.
Yeah. So we
she's
were
a sweetheart, huh?
Urvashi Dholakia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love her.
So both of them are, but she's more.
Yeah. So I still call her Ammi. Like I feel like we developed a good bond while shooting. So we were shooting in mud. And mud mein there are too many villas and people usually book villas to have like parties and everything. Now what happened is that day it was a Saturday. And it's like 10 p.m. or something. It's a very serious scene. Like I'm literally breaking down and I'm hugging her. She's consoling me and it's very intense. And बाजू में कहीं पे literally the villa next to us, वहाँ पे कोई हाउस पार्टी चल रही थी, कजरारे बजा रहे हैं, मुन्नी बदनामे बजा रहे हैं, and we were just like, how do we like, kind of not get distracted by this. But yeah, I feel like as an actor, it's a mental game. You need to have that center.
So आप रो रहे थे और उधर कजरारे चल रहा था.
Yeah, मतलब उसका अगर BTS आप देखोगे, so
एंड द डिफिकल्ट पार्ट इज, जो आपने शायद रियलाइज बाद में किया होगा कि जब उसी को आप डब करना पड़े उस इमोशन को, तो और ज्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है.
I have a lot of crying scenes in the show. So when I would go for dubbing, I would tell them कि ये ना हम end में करते हैं. First you finish the rest of it because the sisakna, the way you say it, because when you're crying your words aren't clear. वो ही dub करना पड़ता है कि अब उसको clear भी करना है पर ये भी दिखाना है that it's you've cried.
and she's actually cried in all this.
Yeah,
There's
so-
no gliss, nothing at all.
सो पेमेंट अभी भी नहीं मिली. Was that the reason? No.
No. But it used to be really difficult to do the crying वाले bits का dub because वो उस टाइम पे तो हो जाता है and then कभी कभार तो मेरे को खुद भी नहीं समझ आ रहा होता था कि ये मैंने बोला क्या उस मोमेंट में and then I would keep asking them कि आपको जो भी समझ आ रहा है you tell me, I will try and do it again.
So let me give you a warning. It's going to get worse. ये ऐसा ही रहेगा. You can't correct it while you're shooting it. वो
Yeah.
हमेशा पोस्ट में ही रहेगा.
Yeah.
कई बार नहीं समझ में आएगा.
But any advice you'd like to give to people who aspire to be actors, and you guys are an example because एक young show बना है, and अगर ये show बनता है और चलता है तो बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए और revenues खुलते हैं.
Yeah.
Any advice you'd like to give to
Advice, I think the most important two things I think would be, one is have patience.
Yeah,
And because
100%.
this is something that requires a lot of patience. It's not an overnight thing. And we've all been there. हम सब आराम नगर में, तो जब भी आराम नगर जाता हूँ मैं,
नाम आराम नगर है पर पेशेंस सीखना जरूरी है.
Yeah.
आराम नगर में आराम तो है ही नहीं, वी नो दैट. तो मैं जब भी वहाँ जाता हूँ मैं अंदर खो जाता हूँ बिकॉज इट्स लिटरली कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इनसाइड. बट आई फील लाइक कि सबका एक जर्नी है एंड एज एन एक्टर आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट वे टू लर्न to keep auditioning, keep asking them कि अच्छा okay what did I do wrong, they'll tell you, then you work on
Do
that.
they tell you?
Most of them do. Sometimes they are like कि
They're
हाँ
quite
नहीं.
encouraging sometimes.
Yeah.
With you, yes. With boys, maybe not.
No, I need to insist sometimes कि please, like I want to know what happened and stuff. So they sometimes they do like give you a proper, they have a good
Yeah.
talk with you. So they are cooperative like that.
But the only thing is that you may do it subtly and they say यार थोड़ा energy कम है, but the director may like subtle. So even they don't know
Yeah,
what
that
exactly
is-
is the
That's
thing.
why I feel like कि आपने audition दे दिया, you've given your best, then there are 10,000 things which are out of your control.
Yeah.
So then
So they may say you have to be orange, but the director may be liking an apple. So you don't know what's going to work. So advice बहुत ज़्यादा लिया मत करो. So ये चीज़ है. हाँ, तो बियांका जी आप बताइए.
For me also, like I would also say that just keep at it, keep doing your bit, and you never know what will click where and how it will happen. But you have to be patient and you have to keep working hard. If you don't have a combination of both those things, तो नहीं हो सकता. It is difficult. I'm not going to say कि oh I've been very, oh my god, very patient, very positive and all of that. I've had my days when I've had a low that this was such a good audition, I wanted a call back but I didn't get a call back. But deal with it for a day, 2 days, get over it, move on and do more. That is the best way to keep at it.
बट हाउ डू यू मूव ऑन? लाइक हमारा प्रोसेस आइसक्रीम है, अब अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक्टर्स का वो प्रोसेस हो नहीं सकता.
नहीं मेरा भी है.
Best to find another audition.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
100%.
that's the best
Find
thing.
another audition. Use all your bhadas to do better in that one. And वो भी नहीं होता तो फिर next.
Yeah.
Just keep doing it.
सो ऐसा नहीं होता कि सर ये तो साधु का कैरेक्टर था, आपने तो माँ बहन की गालियां दे दी. नहीं नहीं, वो पुरानी भड़ास निकल रही है, ऐसा तो नहीं होता.
नहीं.
Thankfully अब तक नहीं हुआ है.
Yeah.
ट्राई करो, यू नेवर नो, मे बी आपके नाम पे भी एक लॉन्ड्री की दुकान खुल जाए.
नहीं, I'm pretty sure आदित्य ऐसा कॉमन नेम है कि टेम्पो वेम्पो के पीछे तो दिखता ही है.
Autos के
लॉन्ड्री
पीछे
की
भी
भी दुकान.
दैट मींस कहीं ना कहीं आप ब्रांड बनना शुरू हो गए.
या वो तो शुरुआत तो हो गई है. रिक्शास के पीछे दिख जाता है, टेम्पो के पीछे दिख जाता है. आई थिंक लॉन्ड्री भी एक दो तो होंगी.
So, would you like to tell your audience कि जब भी आप टेम्पो के पीछे आदित्य देखें तो पावर ऑफ 5
हाँ.
डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार.
या आप जब भी रिक्शा के पीछे, टेम्पो के पीछे, बेसिकली आदित्य का ये नाम कहीं पे भी अगर आप देखें तो मुझे याद कीजिए, पावर ऑफ 5 को याद कीजिए, डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार पे जाके सारे एपिसोड्स देखिए. अगर देख चुके हैं तो फिर से देखिए, नहीं देखा है तो जो नहीं देखे वो वाले देखिए, बट प्लीज देखिए.
Bianca, why should one watch your show?
I think every Friday you have plans, na? Book your Fridays for Power of Punch now. Don't do anything else. Even if you don't have time Friday ko, Thursday 12 AM, I mean not Thursday 12 AM, Friday ka 12 AM, Thursday रात को बैठ के देख लो, binge कर लो. Your weekend will start from Thursday night, or if you don't have anything on Friday, then you do that also.
और
But just,
थर्सडे 11:40 तक ही आ जाता है.
हाँ,
so,
book it.
yeah.
और कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Why you have to do anything else? Power of Punch आ रहा है ना, 4 episodes every Friday. Watch.